What is up, guys? It's Karen and Sienna, and today we're going to be doing the blindfolded slime challenge. So we don't have blindfold, so we're just going to have to cover our eyes. So yeah,
we have shaving cream.
I'm activating the Stay Flow.
Cornstarch.
If you want to use it. Mixing tools, a bowl, and a spoon. And I also got glue. So we're going to
should we do all of our glue first?
Let's just put
let's leave it like this.
Okay.
So then they can still serve.
Okay, go.
Oh, we're going.
Cover your eyes.
Should we do all of our glue?
I don't care.
I'm not.
It doesn't matter.
Are you?
No, me neither.
But I don't know how much I have in there.
I know, right?
At the source, I touch by
Hopefully it's even going in my bowl.
finest
I think it did.
Okay.
We need
That's
shaving
where's the shaving cream?
in my hand.
Okay. I think I might need some more glue because I didn't add that much. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to fill the bowl.
We will fit
Okay.
that. I was trying to be so good. Oh, I have no
Okay,
glue.
so we're actually gonna do this now. Yeah.
Wait,
Okay, we're actually gonna do it now.
Should we just add all of our glue?
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about how much we have. We might not have enough.
Okay, yeah, we're just gonna cover our
We
eyes.
forgot to fill them with glue. Well, water. So we use water.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, pause real quick. Go fill them with water so we have water to get started. Just pretend we already have our glue. Okay, go fill yours up with water now. Unless you're not going to use it.
I'm going to. And, okay, so we're just gonna go fill these up and we'll close your eyes.
Don't pour it in yet until your eyes are closed up. Yeah.
Okay,
Mine
so we're back. So now we are going to
close your eyes.
Oh God.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Add all the water because it'll get out the excess glue. One time I tried to put Brax in the bottle, see if it get out, but it just made slime in the
Oh
bottle.
God, I just built it. I think I added too much water.
No, it'll be jiggly. Plus,
Okay.
you might still need more shaving cream anyway.
Okay, so
It takes a while to mix in water.
I'm like touching it. Okay, where's the shaving cream? I know last time it. Oh, I got it.
Okay, I think mine's right. Oh, I could hear that. I thought it was the camera messing up or something. I keep checking because you keep peeking and I know you can. I can feel you staring at me. See if you're looking at me.
Okay, we won't do it. Okay, I just had to know how much I put in because.
You can't do that.
Okay. I need more glue, so hopefully this works. Okay.
It might need more shaving. You're not good with it.
I added too much shaving cream. I'm like filling this right now.
Okay.
Well, then if you keep on, if you keep on checking on me, then you're gonna open your eyes and then.
Well,
you're
because
gonna
I feel
see.
like you're staring at me.
I need more water. Can I fill my water up?
Yeah. I need to open this part of this anyway because it's a brand new thing of cornstarch. So,
I need to add some more water. Okay, now guys, we're not gonna peek anymore. We promise. This.
got some of them.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes. Okay. Water went in. Try to get all the excess.
Okay, I don't even know if I got that much cornstarch because it just splashed on me. So I don't know if I just had a little bit and it just got all over me. Just got on my foot, I think, though. That's all I felt. Because it's hard to get it in my bowl. Because I don't want to get too much and I don't want to get too little. I can't see.
Mine's just shaving cream. I added too much shaving cream.
I think that might be enough cornstarch.
Where's the cornstarch?
It's in between us, I think. No, that's enough slime.
Well, how do you know?
Because I felt your finger.
I don't know how much to add, and I really hope this goes full.
Okay, I might need activator now.
I feel all that, and I think I added.
Because remember last time I accidentally added way too much activator?
Yeah, but we still can't cheat. We can't open our eyes.
Just added some. I don't even.
I need more cornstarch.
I don't think I added too much this time because I barely had it down. Yeah, mine's coming together good. Oh, mine's good. It's sticky still, but still makes sense. Some people barely add any activator and it still comes together like in videos, but they just keep mixing for so long. I just can't wait that long to mix. It's probably why ours end up hard sometimes. I'm gonna take mine out of the bowl now. My spin. Oh no.
I hope the cornstarch went in the bowl.
Right.
Because if not, then
That's
I think I'm gonna have a little problem.
We don't even have lotion, do we?
I think I need activator now.
I don't think I need it anymore. I think I have enough. So I don't feel good enough. The lid to the activator was just enough. Okay, I think I'm done. Can I open it?
No, you have to wait until I'm done too.
I'm done. Can I open?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. It's not that good. It's not very stretchy.
Why is it not coming together? It feels like a big.
Did you even get enough activator?
Yeah, I'm still adding it.
It's not coming out. That's the problem. You're not tilting it enough. No, it's not coming out. Pour it more. Yeah.
I feel like you're sabotaging me.
No, it literally was not coming out at first. It was just tilting.
Please stop throwing pennies at my head. Your wish is not granted.
Still glue in the bottom of my bowl. Try to make that soften it up some.
My slime feels big.
Mine is. You need more activator. It's all over you. It's not coming out. Nope.
This one time, I was giving a speech at my grandma's 80th birthday.
I spent the entire time explaining I wasn't Bruno Mars.
I need more cornstarch.
Or Queen Latifah. This is how it is. And I got a border behind me.
I hear you giggling over there.
Dude, did she finish it up or what? Like, what about
I feel like brains.
80-year-old woman's birthday is like, whoa, I am turned.
Amazing.
Is my spoon out of my bowl?
She's wearing a
Yeah. No. It's on the side. That was actually nice on the side. Cheers.
This woman's expanding her mind.
I'm gonna go look for lotion. Don't peek.
Not.
Cheyenne, do you have lotion?
As a girl with a perfect
Okay.
they don't like it when you lick him or cheese.
Okay.
I just don't understand why she's wearing like Michael Jackson's jacket. I don't like a jacket.
I think I'm done.
You're not done yet. It's not even activated. You have to keep your eyes closed until it's all the way done. I have to close my back because I have to add stuff to it.
Okay, then guys, I'm going back undercover. Bye. Wait, let me take this spoon. Okay.
Oh, that scared me. Do I have to close my eyes if I'm adding lotion?
Yes.
Okay.
Mine's gonna be like really buttery slime. Oh god, I added too much and it just squirted on my foot.
Your slime's probably going to activate because of cornstarch. It's so buttery. Okay, I think I'm done.
Okay. I actually about to add the lotion, so I'm not done.
Actually, I might need a little more lotion.
Oh no. Hannah, look at my bowl. Okay, so we will come back. Okay, since your hands are, more clean.
This is sticking to me.
Hannah, no, you just stick that on you. You can take it off. Okay, we will come back to you once like our slime is getting fixed. Hannah, can you turn it off, please? So we'll come back to you whenever our Hannah.